Let your creations your artful and entertaining electronic devices. Today we have these glass bottles, which are some antique ones that I found at a garage sale. I bought a bunch of them. Couldn't do anything with them, so nobody would buy them, not even on eBay. But now we've made them into an artful device. Speaking of eBay, I bought some 5mm diamond dusted board tips and drilled holes in the bottom for slow changing red, green, and blue. And then these have amber, because I figured amber with amber would be a great idea. And I hot glued them together, wired them. I used some resistance. I believe it's 220 ohm to spread from the 220 ohm to spread from the colored ones, and then 100 ohm on this, all starting off here on the on a regular old 5-volt cell phone charger. So that's what we're using there, and then coming straight off that, I don't believe we're using any resistance on this at all, and is a your digital alarm clock. You gotta have that. Now if you look at it, it looks really great. I think it looks fantastic. It would be great in a bathroom, bedroom, living room, anywhere. It's just great. Anyway, I've got a little segment that shows it all by itself with its lights off. You folks have a great day. Thanks.